The people of our past Islamic history term Gaza, Ghazatu Hashim, it is the Gaza of Hashim. Hashim is the great grandfather of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. And this land of Gaza is his burial place. The great Imam al-Shafi'i, one of the founders of the four canonical madahib within Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah, was born in the very city of Gaza. The great majority of prophets and messengers that were sent to God stepped foot in the land of Palestine. The Prophet ﷺ's famous night journey occurred from Mecca to Masjid al-Aqsa, to that blessed mosque which is the farthest mosque. So the entire land of Palestine is infused with prophetic history. There is not a handspan within the old city of Jerusalem except that an angel has stepped, or a prophet or a messenger of God has stepped, or a pious person has stepped. This is the barakah of the land of Palestine.